Okay, so let's answer now the question. Okay, so remember that transduction, it is um, a horizontal gene transfer. So it's a form of horizontal gene transfer wherein a bacterium will transfer its gene to another bacterium with the help of a virus called bacteriophage. So bacteriophage is a virus. So basically, it's not letter